Hello, my English 110 fellow instructors. Hope you're doing well. This video will show you how to set up a Turnitin assignment. Since we're all doing the same writing project 3, we need to all use the same rubric. Yeah, so how do we do that? So under week 13 here, I'm going to create an activity, and I'm going to have it be a Turnitin assignment number 2. If you've never used this before, that's okay. I'm going to show you. So you can click this, it'll go ahead and it'll open up Turnitin. Turnitin is very important, it's very helpful because it searches, it has a plagiarism checker in it. So I'm going to give this a title here, Writing Project 3 Final Draft. Now these are notes that I include for everything. Because I have students who have figured out that if they submit something, anything, they can say, oops, I accidentally set the wrong one, and I need more time to work on the final draft. So I am a stickler, okay? They have to upload the correct file. I also they earn a 0 if they upload the wrong file, if there are not significant changes between the final and rough draft, and if they've plagiarized any of the essay. Again, Turnitin 2 will demonstrate, will show you if they've plagiarized. Then I click on this button here to make sure this information is displayed on the Moodle page. Under submission types, I changed this to a file upload. That way they have to upload a file as opposed to just typing in the text. Under grade display, I just changed that to percentage because I want to see a percentage. This is what I do. Under grade, I've already set my categories for this class, so I'm just going to assign this to Writing Project 3. That's going to be 100 points. Under Assignment 1, I'm going to change this to Writing Project 3. Now the due date for my class is going to be the 8th of November. 8th of November. And I set my deadlines at 11:55 because there are some features in Moodle that's the highest you can go. You can't go to 59. Yeah, so enough of that. Let's see. So that sets the dead. Okay, now under the originality reports, if you allow them to submit late work like I do, it's 25% off for every day that it's late, but you have to click yes, or it will not let them submit it after the deadline, but it will show you if they submitted it late. Okay, and then this is just information where, as far as it checks against the plagiarism here. Yeah. The other thing that you want to do is under grade mark options. Now, right now, there's no rubric that is assigned to this. Attached, I sent you an email that had the rubric assigned. And I've already created the rubric for you, so it's very easy. What you would do is that you would click on Launch Rubric Manager. And now this is the rubric, okay? This is directly from the QEP. I've created this for you, all right? What you would do is that you click on this box up here. You won't see this, okay? Because I haven't created it on my computer, but you don't have it on your computer. When you open that up, you may not have any rubrics or whatever, but regardless, you're going to click on this, and you're going to import, and then you're going to find the one that I sent you, that email, and then you would drag and drop it over there. I'm not going to do that because I've already got it saved on there a couple of times, I think. But that's how you would import the rubric. And when you import the rubric, then it's into the system. To get out of this, you just hit close. Then you would want to select, when you click on rubric here, it'll let you choose whatever rubric you want to do. So I would say it is this one, English 110, 5-paragraph essay. You can use the same rubric. You should use the same rubric for Writing Project 2 and Writing Project 3. Okay? And then you would save and return to course. And then it goes back to the Moodle page. Now it shows up. Come on. Let's snap here. There it is. Okay. Now under week 13, there is Writing Project 3. Okay. So when students go to click on this, they click on this, and it'll bring them to this sheet. When they click on this over here, that'll let them see the rubric. I always let my students see the rubric so they can understand and adjust their papers and do the best they possibly can, so they can see the rubric ahead of time. But when they're going to go upload it, they would come. Now they would only see their name. I see everyone's name because I'm the teacher. But they'd see their name, and they would have to click on the upload button. You'll probably have to demonstrate this to them in class because they may not get it. So then they would click on the upload button, and then they would put in the title, and then they would add the submission. They can do that a few different ways. When they've submitted it, they'll say that you'll see that it's been submitted. Again, it shows you when it will be submitted. So again, if it's late, it will show up here. Under similarity, it will show if it's been plagiarized. If you click right here, it will show what percentage of the paper has been plagiarized. If you click on there, it shows you where it was plagiarized from. To grade it, you click on this. This video is not about grading in Turnitin. That's something for another time. But anyway, so that's how you do it. And also, after they've uploaded it, there should be a button that looks like this where you can download it if you want to compare it using the compare feature on Microsoft Word. So under Microsoft Word, there's this wonderful feature under Review where you hit compare, and then you can load two files, and then it will compare to see the differences between the two. So I do that with the rough draft and the final draft. It shows me exactly what they've changed, and therefore I can determine the level, really, of revision, and that will help me with this part right here. Yeah, that's a very helpful tool. So anyway, so that's that's writing Project 3 and using the Turnitin feature. It's very helpful. And like I said, there's a whole other part when it comes to grading. But I hear it's new this year, so I have to play around with it before I can give you any advice. But chances are there's others who can help you better than I can. Anyway, so